Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Every room within a house has a centerpiece, a main element which defines that space. For the bedroom, that would be the bed, the piece that gives this room its name. There's some variation when it comes to all different types of beds to include in based on the various specifics. Since there are no way around the fact that every bedroom needs a bed, it makes sense to make this element as interesting and as great as possible. There's no shortages of ideas when it comes to bedroom designs with cool beds, but after watching this video, you will not have any doubt. Everyone wants to feel that their bedroom is beautiful, and there is nothing wrong with that. Also, of that, your bedroom should be placed where you should be inspired for the rest of your day. For this, you need to take care of your bedroom at another level with creative elements from the artwork to design and light features. Make sure each of these remain relaxing and inviting. As it is well said, sometimes even the most luxurious are simplest. So it doesn't matter whether you want to get rid of insomnia or just rest easily. Sometimes simplifying things become the only answer. Your bedroom is a play where you can do anything easily. Wisely chosen platform beds with storage are ideal for decorating small rooms and adding sufficient storage space to small interiors. A queen size bed might be too big for your small room. Measure your bedroom before selecting a bed, leaving some room for walking around the bed and bringing one or two other bedroom furniture pieces. Modern beds with storage are ideal for decorating small apartments and homes. These bedroom furniture items allow storing many things inside or under your bed in big boxes, large compartments, and drawers. Making wooden boxes on casters or sliding pads create a comfortable and creative storage solution for small bedroom designs. Compact furniture designs for small space helps create stylish home interiors that are comfortable and elegant. Bed with storage are great ideas to maximize available spaces and organize small rooms. These beds contribute to decluttering and redecorating your home in an attractive, simple, and neat style. Additional storage is valuable for creating peaceful, free of clutter, and inviting small rooms. The beds that feature convenient storage are perfect solution for small bedroom designs. Intelligent home storage ideas create airy and pleasant rooms. Built-in storage enhances elegant bedroom decorating. Shelves, drawers, and underbed compartment for clothing, accessories, shoes, bed linens, books for kids, or toys are stylish and convenient storage ideas for modern bedroom interiors. Full-size beds are large bedroom furniture pieces that takes up a lot of space in small rooms. Space-saving beds with storage shelves and drawers improve the functionality of interior design and allow to use these bedroom furniture items to store items and declutter rooms. Modern beds with storage are ideal for creating neat kids' room or teenage bedroom designs. Beds with storage are excellent home furnishing to improve the home organization. These beds are practical and modern space-saving solution for all small rooms. Friends, hope you are enjoying these design and ideas on modern bed designs. If you do, then you should subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration. If you want more design ideas, on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Telegram from the link in the description box. Modern beds with storage include platform beds with pull-out drawer, bunk beds with shelves and drawers integrated into steps, and ottoman beds that lift up from the base to reveal one large or a few small storage compartments incorporated into the frame. Modern beds headboard can have shelves or drawers to keep books, magazines in order. Underbed boxes provide extra storage for pillows and blankets people want to keep handy. Large, made of fabric or plastic bags are suitable for storing items in underbed boxes, drawers. Plastic container and wooden boxes on casters are other space-saving ideas to improve the functionality of your modern luxurious bedroom. We humans spend an average of 8 hours per day on the bed, which is about 1/3 of our life. So, you must ensure that the bed you are buying is right for your body and suits your unique need. Take care of these before buying a new bed. First is size. Firstly, make sure that the bed you choose fits well in the room. It must be large enough to accommodate you and at the same time should not occupy the entire space. Depending on the size of the room and the number of persons, you can choose from a single bed, queen size double bed, and king size double bed. The second most important is the frame. A bed is a long-term investment, so don't settle for cheap material that can easily break or crack in a few months. Consider sturdy wooden frames made with teak, plywood, or even wrought iron which are durable. Purpose is also an important factor. If the bed is only for sleeping, or do you intend to make it multifunctional? If it is only for sleeping, look for options like storage boxes, upholstered and slanting headboards for style and comfort. Budget is the most critical factor for buying a new bed. Know your feasible price range and try to stay within it. Give importance to quality and functionality over mere looks to get your money worth. Friends, hope you like this video on modern bed designs, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box. With this, we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.